If you look up, you see where I wrote go means read. So when you want to make it like a command, we always stretch the verb. Go. If it's like to go, which is ega, you will say ga if it's a command. So ego is to read. If I want to give you a command to read, I will say go akwụkwọ, which is read this book. Go akwụkwọ. Ego. And if I want to make this a present continuous tense, I will add na to the go, which is read. It will be anam agụ akwụkwọ Igbo, which is I'm reading Igbo book. Then if I want to turn this to a past tense, I will add r and u to the go, making it go, which is reading, read. And it will be agụrụ m ya. I read it. Agụrụ m ya. I read it. So guru is past. So if I want to turn this to a future tense, I will put ga to the go. M ga-agụ ya echi, meaning I will read it tomorrow. M ga-agụ ya echi. So it's a future tense. So whenever you add ga, it turns to future to the verb. And when you add na, it turns the verb to a present continuous. I hope you understand this. So let's go over to learning more and more verbs. And the second one we're going to be learning is kwa, which is to push. Ikwa, to push. So when it's a command, you say kwa, push it, kwa. Kwa ụgbọala aka, push this car. Kwa ụgbọala aka, push this car. So I've already taught you how to turn it to a present continuous. M na-akwa ụgbọala, I'm pushing the car. M ga-akwa ụgbọala, I will push the car. Akwara m ụgbọala, I pushed the car. So I hope you understand how to turn verbs to different tense. So let's move on to the third verb we are going to be learning. And the third verb we have here is iri. To eat. Eat. If it's a command, you say rie nri. Rie osikapa. Rie osikapa ahụ. Eat that rice. Rie osikapa ahụ. Eat that rice. So I'm going to leave you to try turning this verb to eat to present continuous, future tense, and past tense. So try it yourself. Let's move on to the next verb we have. The next verb we have is work. Ịga ije. Gaa ije if it's a command. Kam gaa ije, let me take a walk, or let me walk. Kam gaa ije. You know how we do it, so you're going to turn this verb to past, future, and present continuous tense. I know your confusion here with go. Go is ga, ịga. If it's a command, you say ga, to go. Ga rie nri, that's go and eat. Ga rie nri. Ga rie nri. Go and eat. You can also say ga rụọ ọrụ, go and work. Agaram, or I went to work. So I just helped you with the past tense. So do the remaining yourself. You know how we do it. So that's all for the verb we have today. So if you have any verb you want to learn in Igbo, put that down in the comment section. I will do a special video for you with more verbs. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have learned a lot. Please do subscribe, like, and share for people to learn this beautiful language, Igbo. Ke mesiano. Bye bye.